Let's make some meat shawarma in the air fryer with some roasted potatoes. I've got half kg of meat here, very thinly sliced. I've washed the meat, add lemon juice. I'm gonna add some minced garlic and chopped coriander or chopped parsley, yogurt, mayonnaise, salt, paprika, turmeric powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, garlic powder. Mix everything. I'm gonna cover it and marinate it. Here's the beef that we marinated. I'm gonna add some oil to it, mix it. I'm using Prosenic T31 air fryer here with turbo technology to cook your food 30% faster than other air fryers, and it has a capacity of 15 liters to cook a large amount of food in no time. It comes with its own baking trays. Put some foil in there. I've got some frozen roast potatoes. I'm gonna open the air fryer oven. So I'm gonna put this first here, and I'm gonna place the potatoes here so all the juices that will drip from the meat will go on top of the potato. I'm gonna do the air fryer so 180 degrees, and then if you press it again you can change the time 20 minutes. I'm gonna press the start button. Gonna press this so the meat can rotate. The meat shawarma is ready.